In today's video, I'm going to teach you. Today, I'll show you how to pull cryptocurrency prices in Google Sheets on desktop. Let's get started right where you'll be working, your Google Sheet on desktop. Open the sheet you want to use. You can use an existing file or create a fresh one if you'd like a clean place to experiment. Make sure you're signed into your Google account and that the sheet is open in your browser. Next, click an empty cell where you want the cryptocurrency price to appear. Picking a clear spot helps you stay organized, especially if you plan to track multiple coins. You can always move things around later, but it's helpful to dedicate a small area for your prices. Now, type a simple formula to fetch a live price. In the cell you selected, enter Ushas Crypto Finance, BTC USD. This tells the sheet to pull the current price of Bitcoin quoted in US dollars. Notice the pair is written inside quotes, with the base asset first and the currency second. The equals sign at the beginning is important, and the quotation marks should be straight, not curly. If you want Ethereum instead, use Ishal Crypto Finance, ETH USD. You can replace the ticker and currency to fit your needs, like ETH, EUR, BTC, USDT, or other supported pairs. The general idea is the same, symbol/currency wrapped in quotes. This is handy if you're comparing the same coin across different currencies or tracking a few favorites side by side. Press Enter, and the cell will display the live price. It may take a moment to load the first time. Once it appears, the value updates periodically as the sheet recalculates, so you'll see fresh data without manual copying. If you ever see an error, double-check the ticker and currency pair spelling, and make sure the quotes and slashes are in the right place. Optionally, you can add more coins in separate cells and build a simple portfolio tracker. For example, place Bitcoin in one cell, Ethereum in another, and continue with any other assets you follow. Label each cell so it's easy to read at a glance. Many people like to keep prices in one column and notes or holdings elsewhere, which makes the sheet useful both for quick checks and for lightweight tracking. You can also format the cells as numbers with a consistent decimal style to keep everything clear. And that's how you pull cryptocurrency prices in Google Sheets on desktop.